Hey guys, today we're going to be working on some writing that came home at the beginning of the year in your packet. This is also something that I would like you, obviously you're going to email it to me, but I would like you to save the copy, the paper copy at your house, because this is one of the things that's going to be on a list of things that I would like you to keep. And then towards the end of the year, I'm going to have you bring them in, and I'm going to make a memory book for everybody. So this is one of the things that I need you to save. So once you finish it and send it to me, don't throw it away. We're going to keep this in a pile of things that eventually mom and dad can bring to school and I can put in your book. So it's called the ABCs About Me, and you can see that the alphabet is down the side. This page is from A to L, and so this is all about you, okay? You're going to write 3 or 4 words on a line. We cannot just write one word on a line. We need to be more descriptive than that. Okay, so my rule is 3 or 4 words. Don't write this up here because this is going to be for your book, but you can remember that I said that. So if I am writing my things on the list, I'm starting with this word, which is, for the first one says always. That does not count as one of my 3 or 4 words. So I'm going to add to that. What's something that you always like to do? Okay. So I could say something, if I was writing this about me, always love to take walks. Okay. That's something I love to do. Put a period at the end. I have 3 or 4 words there and I'm good to go. Now, I cannot talk about walks on any of these other ones because I already talked about that. So if you like something like hockey a lot, you're going to need to not do that on every single one, okay? So you're going to need to mix it up, okay? Who do you like to be with? And let's say I wanted to say my family, but that's only 2 words. I could say be with my family at, you need to add to it. Okay, you need to be descriptive and add things that make it interesting to read. So this is all about you, okay? And it could be at home or at school or anything about you. This is the first page because you're going to see that there's another page stapled to this, which we are going to be doing next week. So we're only focusing on the first page and doing a really nice job on our handwriting because it's going to go in our memory book. So take your time and good luck.